A pool pump is made up of two major components, the pump housing side, also known as the wet end, and the motor side, which is powered by a 115 or 230 volt electrical connection. The term pool pump refers to the complete assembly of both the pump housing and the motor together. The pump housing and the motor have two different manufacturers. When searching for pool pump replacement parts or for a new motor, you'll need to know the manufacturer of the pump housing to determine the correct parts. It's important to know where to find the appropriate information for each component. The pump housing manufacturer label is commonly located on the pump housing itself. Hayward, Pentair, Sta-Rite, and Jandy are some of the most prevalent pool pump brands. If you see Century, A.O. Smith, U.S. Motors, Emerson, or Magnetek, then you are looking at the motor manufacturer, which is different from the pump housing manufacturer. These manufacturer names cannot be used to find the correct parts for your pool pump. Once you have located the pump housing manufacturer, you can use that as well as the pump model number to search for your replacement parts on inyopools.com. Step 1. Below this video, click on the name of your pump manufacturer, which you located on the pump housing label. Step 2. Click on your pump model based on the model name, number, or visual match. Step 3. Use the pump diagram to locate the correct replacement parts. If you cannot locate your pump model after following these steps, then you can send pictures of your complete pool pump as well as close-up images of all the visible labels to upload at inyopools.com. We will do our best to identify your pool pump and help you find the correct parts. Thank you for choosing inyopools.com.